The SAVE plan is officially ending, and so we need to talk about what to do. Most borrowers at SAVE don't realize this yet, but as of December the 9th, the DOE announced its termination, awaiting a court signature. That could happen anytime now. So depending on how the court rules, and it looks like they're going to sign off on it, you'll be moved to a completely different repayment plan without consent. So this could change your repayment, your interest, and even your forgiveness timeline. So let's go through exactly what's happening, what you need to do to check your loan account. And I would do it as quickly as possible. My name's Anthony Perano. I'm a federal court attorney. I'm a national student loan consultant with over 35 years experience. And I've guided borrowers nationwide through IDR, PSLF, and the Department of Justice discharge process. And I just want to make sure that you're not blindsided by the changes coming to SAVE. So let's talk about what the SAVE ending means. It isn't being deleted, but it's critical protections are being rolled back. The court challenges SAVE in its final stages, and approval could come any day now. DOE already paused new enrollments. SAVE benefits, especially the zero interest cap, that's going to be removed or altered. So borrowers could be removed to repay, IBR, or a standard plan. So let me explain it clearly. It's not automatic forgiveness. This is a structural change that can increase your monthly cost. So who's going to be affected first? Well, anyone who's already on SAVE, anyone awaiting a SAVE recertification, borrowers using income-based plans for payment suppression, new borrowers entering repayment, low-income borrowers expecting zero payment, and specific examples. Let's take this one. If you're a nurse, a teacher, a federal worker, or you're on PSLF, this affects your qualifying payments. So what are the major risks to borrower? Well, you got the possibility of a payment jump. Borrowers could be defaulted into a higher repayment plan. Loss of interest suppression. So without SAVE, interest subsidy on paid balances grow faster. And you could lose the reset of forgiveness timelines. That's especially dangerous for PSLF and long-term IDR borrowers. So what you should check out tonight. Walk over to your computer, check your repayment plan, check whether your plan has already been changed, check your recertification date. Remember, borrowers missing this may be kicked into a standard plan, and that's going to be high cost and full cost. Your income, see if it's on file, especially married, filing jointly versus married, filing separate, so understand the difference. See your PSLF qualifying payment account, make sure it's not lost. Any paused or incomplete IDR application, check that out. There's a risk of being pushed into a new plan there. So the big question is, should you switch plans now? No, I wouldn't panic or switch tonight. But you need clarity on the final ruling first. So you do need to know what you're currently in and what you'll default into. So what's stable? IBR is a traditional one. Pay, if it's grandfathered in. Repay, not ideal. PSLF is going to be unchanged. And you always have to take a look at a bankruptcy discharge if you want to fully wipe out the student loans. So who knows what's going to happen next? Well, I'll tell you what I think. Based on the current legal posture and the Department of Education signals, I think SAVE benefits will be partially rolled back. Borrowers will be automatically moved to a different repayment plan. Interest suppression, IDR timelines may stay mostly intact. Payment formulas may shift. But there could be a lot of trouble. The system is dysfunctional, and you could be losing a lot of benefits. So check it out right away. I'm Anthony J. Perano. I'm a national student loan consultant. I'm a federal court lawyer for the past 35 years. If you need my help, you can just visit me at peranololaw.com. You can book a consultation. I'll be glad to go over this with you in detail. And I hope to see you soon.